our English online class. I hope you all are safe and sound at your home. Students, in our previous online class, we have already started a new chapter of English grammar, that is chapter number 40, conjunctions. Now, conjunctions are the joining words or the linking words with the help of which we can join two words, two sentences or phrases. Now, with the help, conjunctions are the words which can merge the two sentences and make a single sentence. Now, we are doing the coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are 7 in number, that is fanboys. F stands for, A stands for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. Coordinating conjunctions are the conjunctions in which the sentences are of equal importance, of equal grammatical importance. It means they are independent. They are not dependent on each other. Okay, students. Now, in our previous lesson, we have already discussed about these three conjunctions, for and nor. Nor we use when we talk about the negative sentences, or and we use when we have the equal important sentences, when we have the similar facts, when we have the informations. That time we use and. Suppose, for example, I know English and French language. Okay. For we use as a because conjunction also for a state of reason. So today we will do these four conjunctions. Boys, B-O-Y-S, where B is but, O is or, Y is yet, and S is so. So our first conjunction is but. Now we use but to join two sentences. But is a conjunction. So it introduces a contrast. Contrast means the two things which are opposite. Okay. So when we have to make a sentence about the opposite things, about the opposite sentences, that time we use this but conjunction. Here we have an example. It was a sunny day. Sunny day, it means there is a sun in the sky. But the wind was cold. Still the day is sunny, but the wind is cold. It means we are talking about the two opposite things, sunny and wind. That's why here but is, we will use but conjunction to denote the opposite things in the two sentences. Okay, students? So in this manner we use but conjunction when we talk about the opposite statements. The opposite things which are, when the two sentences which are opposite to each other, that time we use but conjunction. Now next one is or. When we have the choice, when we give some suggestion to someone, when we have the alternatives, either you can do this or that. In questions when we have the choices, okay, when we give suggestions to someone, either you do this thing or that, okay, and when we have the alternatives, that time we use or conjunction. Okay. Now here we have an example. I will go to Pune or Delhi. Now here when we will use this or conjunction, it means we have a choice that either I will go this place or that place. Okay, students. So when we have a choice, suggestion and alternative choices, that time we use or conjunction. Now next is yet. Yet we use to join two sentences. It is similar to but. Okay, but here we emphasizes more on the contrast. Okay, the stronger effect. The stronger effect is on the contrasting in these sentences. You will easily understand this yet conjunction with the help of the examples. The weather was cold. Okay, but here we can use but also, and yet also, but yet have a stronger effect on the sentence. Yet bright and sunny. Okay, the weather was cold, but yet bright and sunny. It means the sun is there in the sky. We have one more example of yet Now here we have two sentences. So the second sentence is the result of the first sentence, and between these two sentences we use so conjunction to make a single sentence. Okay, how? Let's have an example. She was sick. This is the first sentence. Okay, now we have one more sentence. She could not attend the meeting. Now here, between these two sentences, here we will use so conjunction. Now here, second sentence is the result of the first one. She was sick and that is why she could not attend the meeting. Okay, so we use so conjunction when we talk about the result of something. Okay, and here the second sentence, the second statement will be the result of the first statement. Okay, so that's, I hope you all have understood the conjunction fanboys, that is coordinating conjunctions. That's all in today's lesson. Have a nice day. Students, we will continue today's lesson with two exercises of the chapter Conjunction of your English Grammar book. So, the exercise A, join the two sentences using for conjunction. First one of fanboys. Okay. So, the first sentence is I offered him some water. This is the first sentence. Now we have one more sentence here. He was very thirsty. Now here we have to add here for conjunction. For states the reason. So here we will use for conjunction. So the answer is I offered him some water. What is the reason for that? For he was very thirsty. Okay, so here we will add for conjunction to make one sentence. Now we have one more sentence here. I want to study science. Then the another sentence, I wish to become a scientist. Now here, what is the reason of studying science? This is the reason to become a scientist. So here we will add for conjunction. Okay, to make a sentence. So the new sentence will be I want to study science for I wish to become a scientist. Okay, so then in this manner you will write the other sentences also in your notebook. Now next exercise, that is exercise number B. What is the question? Join the two sentences using and conjunction. Now here in these sentences you have to add and conjunction to make one sentence. So the first one is Kuldeep served us a delicious lunch. And we have one more sentence in the same one. Neha took us to the cinema. Now here we use and conjunction for the similar facts, for the informations. So here in this sentence we are getting the information. So we will add and conjunction at this place and. So the new sentence will be Kuldeep served us a delicious lunch and Neha took us to the cinema. So this is a new sentence with the Now that is next one. We have one more. I wake up early. Then I practice some sums, math sums. So here we have to make one sentence with the help of and conjunction. So we will write the answer. I wake up early. Now here we have the same subject. Okay, so I wake up early and we will not repeat this subject again in the sentence because we are talking about the same person. So I wake up early and practice some sums. Okay students, so in this manner rest of the sentences you will do by yourself in your English grammar notebook in a good handwriting. I hope you all have understood whatever you have to do in these two exercises. Okay, so till then have a nice day.